The tax slabs under the new tax regime have been changed in this budget. Now, what people are confused about is that up to 12 lakh rupees, my income is not taxable, right? But what if I'm earning 12.1 lakh? Do I have to pay 61,500 as tax just because my income is now up by 10,000 rupees? Is it even fair? Well, I will answer all your questions and also explain the math in detail. So let's begin. Now, the finance minister announced new tax slab rates for new tax regime effective from April 2025. The slabs are as follows. 0 to 4 lakh, the rate is nil. 4 to 8 lakh, the rate is 5%. 8 to 12 lakh, it is 10%. 12 to 16 lakh, it is 15%. 16 to 20 lakh, it is 20%. 20 to 24 lakh, it is 25%. And above 24 lakh, it is 30%. Under the old tax regime, it is unchanged, shown on the screen. Now, what Sitharaman said is that for people earning 12 lakh rupees and below, they can claim rebate under 87A and pay no tax at all. Now, what about people who are earning just a little more than 12 lakh rupees? Do we have to pay more tax than the salary increase? No. That's where the marginal tax relief comes in. For all resident individuals in the new tax regime under section 115 BAC 1A, marginal relief is available. The total income till which the marginal relief is available is up to 12.75 lakh. Now let me break it down further for you. Some math here. If you earn 12 lakh rupees, then your tax as per proposed slabs without rebate is 60,000 rupees. But when the rebate kicks in, the liability is nil. So the total rebate is of 60,000 rupees. If you earn 12.1 lakh, then your tax as per slabs without relief is 61,500 rupees. Income exceeding 12 lakh is 10,000 rupees. So here the rebate will be tax as per proposed slabs without relief minus income exceeding 12 lakhs, which is 10,000 rupees. So now the rebate available will be 51,500 rupees. So actual tax liability will come to 10,000 rupees. Now here it breaks even at 12 lakh 70,588 rupees, where the tax as per slabs and the income exceeding 12 lakh rupees is same. So the rebate is nil. Here then the tax goes on to exceeding the income on 12 lakh at 12.75 lakhs. So here is where you start paying the actual tax as per the slabs. So basically what the law says is that your tax liability should not exceed the extra income that you're earning above this threshold of 12 lakh rupees. Now this marginal relief is available for resident individuals having income marginally above 12 lakhs and below 12.75 lakhs. HUF non-residents are not eligible for this. For salaried taxpayers, income up to 12.75 lakh is exempt from tax because they get a standard deduction of 75,000 rupees. But there is one way through which your income up to 13.7 lakh can be exempt from tax. If you claim a deduction under section 80CCD2. A salaried individual can claim this deduction if the employer deposits money on the behalf of employee in the Tier 1 NPS account as a part of the employee's CTC. It will not be applicable if you as an employee invest money in the NPS account. Your employer's contribution is only exempt and the maximum deduction is 14% of the salary. Say your salary structure is this, with NPS employer contribution of 95,900 rupees and the total salary comes up to 13.7 lakhs. If you less the standard deduction and NPS contribution amount, your taxable salary only comes up to 11,99,100 rupees. So with this, salaried taxpayers with income up to 13.7 lakh, including employer contribution to NPS, are not required to pay any tax at all. But remember, all this is only for the new tax regime. For more such news and views, keep watching 80 Now.